We're here with John Kuivila of Tim Lally SAVE. And John, we got a unique project going on back here.
Yeah.
Describe a little bit what's going on.
We're doing a full prisoner van for one of the local municipalities here. This van is equipped with a full prisoner transport compartment. We're obviously in the stages of building it still, putting it together. It's a 8-passenger prisoner compartment, 4 on each side, full belt system, fully secures up with the door and the hatch in the front. Again, they're still putting it together, but it gives you an idea of what it looks like. Hey Zeke, can you turn those lights on? There you go. Yeah, the interior ones too. You have full interior lighting inside there. You can also use the red as well, and then the full white to give you the better view. They do still have a few lights on the vehicle, the rear MPS 6000s, and in the front of the vehicle you've got 2 grille lights as well, and a light that's going to be completely mounted above the rear view mirror should they need it. One of the things that's rather unique to Tim Lally is, if you notice right here, our wiring, you can always tell that what we wired and where we ran wires based on our wiring. So not only are they color coded, but if you bring the camera closer, Jeff, you'll see that all our wiring specifically says Tim Lally SAVE right on it. So every wire, the black wire here is smaller, still has it on there, Tim Lally SAVE, same with the orange wire. So it's printed on all our wiring all the way down, so anything we run, you'll be able to not only identify should you need to, but we can re-identify as well. So we anticipate having this prisoner van ready to go for the city here in the next couple days.
And all of this is done by GM certified technicians?
All done by GM certified technicians here at Tim Lally, right in Tim Lally's shop.
All right, thank you so much. Again, the John Kuivila, director of Tim Lally SAVE. And if you need the Silverados, the express vans, any one of the vehicles GM has lined up for special services like this, or any commercial units, you can see John. Thank you for your time, John.
Thank you.